Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri Keserkar Jela Bapei Ikatanat PHE Markus N. Marak ulaong bagsar Shillong kan sayok Pahuh ka umbam umdi Tang Pyndep Shna Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 3. Hak jingakran meglap thai kubor Marak uliatu baladep letes nakadam sika treatment plan. Basa pramilian letter sisi ka kan poi haka treatment plan mau plang. Hendrai haka jaka sam kidon khat artali gizon man sam ka hapok a Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme. But nakani katanat klasam shaki katok ade taligi Shnong.
Actually, that I don't know the reason why there is a shortage. It could be because of Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 3 is yet to commission. Testing has been done from the dam site to the treatment plant. Another additional 8 MLD of water has reached the treatment plant in Moplang. But this site, in the distribution portion, still some of the localities are there. There are 12 zones in distribution part also under Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme. So out of the 12 zones, we are still in progressing some of the localities there. So therefore, might be because of that, distribution portion of the Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme is yet to complete. So probably because of that, people might be suffering or getting less water. As soon as the Greater Water Supply Scheme Phase 3 completes, we are hopeful of providing enough water to the Shillong city.